So friend, now we are ready for make crispy chicken honey and pepper. So because of your requests, some clients came to me and he said, please can you make this recipe how you making crispy chicken honey pepper, because your crispy chicken honey pepper is very delicious. I say why not, I will try to my best, and we are always doing to our best. So you can see now we take chicken fillet and we cut this one small slices. You can see we make small slices. You can cut like this at home. You know this one chicken fillet we have. As you know, friends, restaurant always doing best for our lovely clients. Now we do this all separate pieces. These separate pieces. So now we cut this one small slice, thin slices, and now we're going to be marinated these things, this chicken. So you see how what ingredients I put inside. I mix salt, little bit egg, and I mix. You can put little oil. Then after I take one bowl of corn flour, corn starch, and I dip there one by one. Now we are in this corn starch. One by one pieces. Because of this corn starch, it will become crispy. So you can see. What we are doing after this marinated, we put I dip one by one pieces and keep another one ball. You can see. Amount of oil, and because of corn starch, it's become crispy. Now we cannot use any other things. We can use only corn starch for that one. And then keep on separate bowl. You can make how much you want. Pieces separate also. You can take. We are making just one portion, or little bit more than one portion. First this chicken. I'm just making for to show you guys, and I know you guys know that I'm new blogger, and I'm doing to my best, and I've been trying to do my best, and better we can keep this all pieces separate also instead of this ball, and you can put in plate and separate and nicely with corn starch. Then I put one pan oil inside pan and I give the fire. We are making this one in fry pan because everybody home don't have deep fryer. That's why I am showing that you can be make this crispy chicken easily at your home. So we put fire, we put oil on fry pan and we put fire. You can see. Then after we take this chicken. This is very nice, and don't be keep long time away this crispy chicken, otherwise it becomes sweaty. Chicken will be removed this more water and then it not become so much crispy. At least 3 minutes is enough with corn starch. Then we put on oil. When oil become hot, then we put one by one pieces and separate. Try to put all pieces separate. Don't put all together. Better we put separate, then this become more crispy. You can see how we are doing, and it's now going to be hot, become crispy. You can see, and keep it in oil until become brown, golden brown like this. It's become crispy, golden brown. You can see how it looks, very crispy. This crispy chicken we stain. After that, with this oil we stain this one. You see, this is very crispy and very nice. It looks very nice. Then after, we're going to make honey sauce. We put little oil on the pan, a little ginger, then we little fry with oil. Then we put tomato ketchup and mix with ginger, everything together nicely. Then after we put sugar. Then we put sesame oil. Then after we put here sweet chili sauce also and we put honey. You can see we put honey because of honey paper, and we put after that we're going to put here sweet chili sauce. Now sweet chili sauce, because this name is crispy chicken honey. This is sweet chili sauce. We put like this much. It must be sweet, very sweet, and we have to feel little bit spice also. We put sesame seed here, sesame seed, and then we put chicken also inside, and we mix very nicely. Or you can see how it looks, how nice this one. Wow, if you want a more spicy, you can add chili powder and chili paste. And if you put more sweet chili sauce, then it's become also sweet and spicy also. If you want only sweet and more chili also, then you can put chili powder. You can use chili paste or chili powder. Now this is our crispy chicken honey pepper is ready. You can see I make this one only for sample for you. You can make more sauce also. If you want to make more sauce, you put more ketchup. It's looking very nice, very nice. And mostly we are giving with more sauce to client, because clients say we need more sauce. Your sauce is very nice. That's why who knows how we are serving in crispy chicken honey pepper. We are serving a lot sauce with this one. So friends, finally our crispy chicken honey pepper is ready, and this is the starter, but we're giving this one main course, because who eaten it already before, they know how we are giving, because people like our crispy honey sauce a lot. Then they they ask us to please keep more sauce in this crispy chicken honey pepper. That's why we decided to give this crispy chicken honey pepper in main course, and people loves a lot. So this is our crispy chicken honey pepper. You can see how it looks. This is we make just for you because of your request. Client said they are making request to make like please crispy chicken honey pepper how to make. That's why we make today for you guys. And please visit our place and must eat our crispy chicken honey pepper. It's very very delicious. So you can see. Wow, very tasty, very delicious. Please must visit our place, restaurant friends. We will be glad to serve your crispy honey pepper. Wow. So friends, how you like our recipes? Please must put the comment, and if you need some another recipes about our food, please make comment. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. तो दोस्तों ये था आज का ब्लॉग कि क्रिस्पी चिकन हनी पेपर कैसे बनाते हैं, हाउ टू मेक क्रिस्पी चिकन हनी पेपर। ये किसी हमारे लोकल क्लाइंट आए थे यहाँ पे, उन्होंने हमें रिक्वेस्ट की थी मेरे को कि यार आप एक क्रिस्पी चिकन हनी पेपर कैसे बनाते हो, आप कृपया इसको ज़रूर डालें। जैसे हमने बनाया, पनीर कैसे बनाते हैं, नान कैसे बनाते हैं। अभी नान का मुझे दोबारा डालना पड़ेगा, किसने बताया मेरे को कि वो वीडियो किसी कारण आधा डिलीट हो चुका है। तो यहाँ के लोग बहुत मीठा खाते हैं। क्रिस्पी चिकन हनी पेपर बहुत मीठा होता है, थोड़ा स्पाइसी होता है, थोड़ा मिर्ची होती है और मीठा होता है। यहाँ के लोग बहुत मीठा खाते हैं और बहुत मीठे होते हैं और बहुत मीठा बोलते भी हैं। तो आज का ब्लॉग ये था। तो दोस्तों आप लोगों को कैसा लगा कृपया कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके ज़रूर बताएगा। तब तक के लिए हंसते रहे, मुस्कुराते रहे और अपने स्वास्थ्य का ख्याल रखिएगा। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।